Hi, Spoon. How's your day going?
Hi, Forky. I'm fine, but I'm a bit upset.
Why are you upset?
'Cause Knife bullied me. That's not fair.
That seems funny. I have a plan. Hey, what was that for? Hey guys, I'm your host from Object Kitchen. Wow, that's a great name for the object show.
Yeah, that's a great name.
I'm a little pink cup, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my face.
Hey, you want some candy?
I would. Ah! Phew, I almost broke. La 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 la.
Well, at least my enemy is
Chopping board. Hey, that doesn't make any sense.
Shut up!
Whoa, calm down, calm down. So, chopping board, it was fun, right? Cup, there's someone behind you. What? Don't care, nobody's here. Cup, look out! Huh? No! Ah! Okay, guys, 3 people are dead, so that means they're up for elimination. See you at episode 2.